Pancake.
Hello, hello, hello. My name is Tanya, Coach Tanya, and I am super excited to share something with you. I am vegan, as you all know, and I've been looking for a plant-based pancake waffle mix. And I finally found one that I can live with. I cooked it yesterday, came out delicious. I ate them all. But wanted to share the video with you in terms of how to do it. So this is the mix. It's Birch and Blender's plant-based. And why do I love this? Because it has 10 grams of protein per serving, and a serving size is 2 to 3 pancakes. So if you work out, you're lifting weights, and you're looking for a good source of protein post-workout, this is a good thing right here. It also has low sodium. It's 470 grams of sodium, 32 grams of carbs. If you're watching your carbs, you can certainly use this as a fuel source too, maybe pre-run. So anyway, I'm going to share this with you. It's made of whole wheat flour, unbleached wheat flour, organic coconut sugar, pea protein, brown rice. So it's all good stuff. So I always alter any recipe that I find to tailor it to me, and I highly recommend you do the same. I didn't just want a plain old pancake, so I'm altering it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm following the instructions, and the instructions call for a half a cup of the batter. I'm just gonna put a little bit more than a half a cup in the batter, okay? So what's gonna make this one different is, well, I'm also adding some flaxseed. All right, so I put like just a teaspoon of flaxseed in it. And here's what contributes to the flavor, the cinnamon, okay? So it's only one serving, so I just put a good hearty portion of teaspoon of cinnamon in there. Okay, and lastly, the other thing that I do is I'm going to put a banana in here. This banana is nice and ripe, which is helpful. And then I'm just gonna smash it up. Smash the banana up. This one isn't as ripe. You know, when they're ripe, they tend to smash, they're softer. So I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut almond milk in here. Again, all of this is plant-based. I'm just gonna mush it up in here. That's it, mush. Yes, I could use something else, but I'm gonna mush this up. These are good. The recipe calls for a half a cup of water, but I'm going to add coconut milk. Mix her up. About a quarter cup of blueberries. Okay, so I don't eat syrup. And when I ate the pancakes, when I ate my waffles yesterday, I felt like it needed a little bit of something. So I don't need these. I'm experimenting today, and I thought, you know, make some kind of glaze or some kind of sauce or something to go over the top. So of course it's always going to be fruits and vegetables. So I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm not a chef. But I'm going to add some blueberries in here. And again, this is just a topping for the waffles. So I think I'll put a little bit of drizzle of honey in here. I don't know if we're gonna need a little moisture. Maybe I should put a little bit of water in here. I don't know, let's see what it looks like in here. Again, you have to be willing to experiment. Don't be hard on yourself. Some things are gonna work, some things are not. Okay, so if I had coconut water, I think I would add coconut water, but I don't. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of almond milk. It's either almond milk or water. So let's see, just a drop. Let's see. Here we go. This looks pretty good. I think it's loose enough. I'm gonna try to pour this out in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, that should go nicely on top. Oh, you know I've got to taste this, right? Let's see. Oh my gosh. I believe the waffle maker is ready. Yes! Okay, so do we have a red light? I think we have a red light, right? We have a red light? Looks red and green. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Woo! Okay, and about a quarter cup, I think, does it. I haven't made waffles. Prior to yesterday, I haven't made waffles in years. This waffle maker comes from Jersey. I think I need more. I think I need more in there. Yeah, that's not enough. So I'm just gonna take my teaspoon, put a little bit more in here. So these are gonna be thick, I can tell. These are gonna be nice and thick. So this is good. All right, so all right, so here we go. Yum, yum, yum. All right, we're gonna close it, turn it. It's going to tell us when it's ready. Hopefully it's not backwards. All right, so when the waffles are done, I'm gonna put some of this blueberry, strawberry syrup, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna pour it on top, and I think it'll be perfect. I don't need all the syrup. Syrup is just loaded with sugar. Why mess up? And a lot of people make this mistake. They mess up a good, healthy dish with syrup, with salads, with too much dressing. While I did put a little bit of honey in it, what would be ideal is a natural honey, but I don't really do sweets much at all. I don't cook with I don't really cook with it. So this is what I have in the house. My family uses. So again, I'm experimenting, and that's what I encourage you guys to do. Just experiment. The light is on. They are ready. So let's see. All right, it's stuck to the pan a little bit, but it's all good. Oh my God, look at them. It looks delicious. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. There we go. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, so. Oh my God, look at the blueberries in there. Yum, yum. Okay. Woo, look at that. Okay, so now we're just gonna spoon a little bit of this on top. It'll add a little bit of flavor. It won't be too dry. And you know, you can really do this to your liking. I'm just experimenting because I like to do that. So, all right, we'll see what this tastes like. Yum, yum. So, if you enjoyed this tutorial, like and follow my page on Instagram, and you can also find me on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Be well.